Italian journalist Fabrizio Romano provides two big updates on the future of Ronaldo and Kylian Mbappe. Here's what Fabrizio said about Ronaldo. According to him, Ronaldo decided to leave Juventus this season and it is confirmed. Cristiano Ronaldo has definitely decided to leave Juventus and he asked the club to sell him immediately. Juventus are waiting for Manchester City official bid to arrive in the next hours to reach an agreement as soon as possible. Cristiano Ronaldo only wants to leave Juventus and he won't be available for next match. Jorge Mendes is working directly with Man City board to complete the agreement on personal terms and contract for Ronaldo. Manchester City are also working on the outgoings to proceed with official bid to sign Cristiano Ronaldo, as Juventus want 28 to 30 million euros. Raheem Sterling could leave Man City if right bid arrives. Gabriel Jesus will stay at Man City as Pep Guardiola wants to keep him at the club this summer. And here's what he said about Kylian Mbappe. According to him, Real Madrid have made a new and final official bid to Paris Saint-Germain for Kylian Mbappe. Real Madrid have offered 170 million euros guaranteed plus 10 million euros add-ons for Kylian Mbappe now. I've been very clear, we've been very clear. The club's stance is clear. We will not change it or repeat it, said PSG president Nasser Al-Khelaifi on Kylian Mbappe yesterday. Real Madrid sources' feeling is that it will be the final bid. Mbappe only wants Real Madrid, now or next summer. Kylian Mbappe has been so clear again today with people close to him. He only wants to join Real Madrid. He only dreams of joining Real Madrid and his Paris Saint-Germain teammates now also know his desire. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.